What? 3, 2, 1.
He doesn't just hand it there.
Wait, let me turn the phone off. Just do it, you know.
You're not making a movie here?
Yeah. Okay, so what you're gonna do is...
Are you gonna direct us?
Yeah. Hey, what's up? If you guys are doing nothing here in the studio, check out these questions from
You just want to get on camera.
Yeah, I really do.
You just want to get on
Can I
camera.
fucking puke? Yeah, wash my car when you're done.
Nicholas rules. That's one day, 3 days
That's
of.
about 3 days, 650 questions.
Oh man.
It's all from the same guy, though.
Right.
Okay, I'm gonna answer
Love
a
Nicholas.
question that's very
Relieve her.
predominant.
New material sounds even more like Meshuggah and Hatebreed and anyone else you can think of now.
The new material sounds like anybody else you can think of.
Yeah.
That covers everything from
Yeah.
Celine Dion to Meshuggah.
It sounds exactly like whatever your favorite band is right now, besides us.